from number 23, where we started today. Can I have your answers?
Yes, there I got 7,500.
7,500. All right, let's see. 7,500. The question says, work out how many Model B cars the factory should make next year. Okay, let's verify your answer. For factory B, the number of people there are 15,
15.
but the total number of people is 80. So we are going to have 80 all over, 15 all over 80 multiplied by the number of cars they
20,000.
intend to make next year, which is 40,000.
20,000.
Okay. So therefore, we work it out. If I use 80 to 0 can cancel out 0 because this is paper 1, which is non-calculator. Okay, so 8 can come into 40 to give us 5. So that is now 500. So we have 15 multiplied by 500, which is the same thing as 15 multiplied by 5. We give us 75, then 0, 0. Your answer is correct. So let's check the mark allocated to it. And the mark is 2 marks. So give yourself 2 marks for that question number 23. Okay, we'll move to question number 24, AI. The question said that we should find the ratio of A is to B is to C. So what do you think?
Oh, 24. I got 2 to 65.
2 and listening?
2 to 65.
2 ratio 6 ratio 5. Okay, let's find out. First and foremost, we are given that A ratio B is 1 ratio 3, and also B ratio C is 6 ratio 5. Let's see. We need to make B to be to agree because B is B. We can't have B here 3 and have B here 6. So what it means is that I am going to multiply this place by 2 in order to get this 6. Then this one is just like multiplying by 1. So if I multiply this ratio by 2, I will get 2 ratio 6. And if I multiply this by 1, it remains 6 ratio 5. So in other words, it means that B now is now corresponding correctly. All right. Therefore, our ratio A ratio B ratio C, as we were asked, A now will be 2 and the B will be 6, which is now agreed very well. So 6 and then C5, you are correct. So the marks there attached to it is 2 marks.
Yeah.
Then for question number number AII, express A as a fraction of the total of the other 3 ABC. So what do you think? Of the
2 over
3
13.
ABC, 4,
2 over 13.
2 over 13. Let's see. We add the 2. 2 plus 6 plus 5. This is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the ratio of A is 2. Give it 2 marks. You are correct. We move to the next one. Question B. He said, Iman writes down 3 numbers, M, N, and P. The question says, find M ratio P. What do you have as your answer?
I got 1 is to 10.
1 is to 10. Okay, let's find out. Let's find out. So since we have it here that N is equal to 2M, P is equal to 5N. So in that case, P is the same thing as 5 multiplied by N, and the N is 2M. Okay? Making P to be equal to 10M. Very good. Therefore, I can simply write MP, so I can write here P all over 10 is equal to M all over 1. So in that case, the value of m can now be m ratio p can now be 1. We come in 1 ratio 10. Okay, give it, let me see how many marks. Give it 2 marks. 2
Okay.
marks is correct. Yeah. Let's go to the next question. Here is to find the pressure. Okay, you say a storage tank exerts a force of 10,000 newtons on the ground, okay? So the base of the tank is in contact with the ground is a 4, that is very important, 4 meters by 2 meters, okay? And it's a rectangle. Okay, so the base is given to us. What it means is that the length is 4. So what is your answer in the first place? Work out the pressure on the ground due to the tank.
I got 1,250 Newton per meter.
1,250 Newton per
Meter square.
meter square, because that is the unit of pressure. Since pressure is since force is Newton and the area is meter square, so that is what it will be as the unit. Therefore, the area on the ground should be length by breadth. It is a rectangular shape there, a rectangular base, which is 4 multiplied by 2, and that is going to be 8, and it is in meter square. All right. But then, they have given us the formula to use, that the pressure that we are asked to work out, pressure is equal to force all over area. And the force here is given, which is 10,000 rather, then divided by the area we got, which is 8. I see. All right. So 8 into 10 we go once. Remember 2 into 20, that we go 2 times. 16. Remember 4. 8 into 40 we go 5 times. Then into 0 is 0. Your answer is correct. So that is a 1,250 Newton per meter square. So let's see the marks allocated to it. It has, the question 25 has a total of 2 marks. So give it 2 marks for that part. So moving forward is next to question 26. We are solving the inequality. What did you get as your answer?
X is greater than 6.
X is greater than 6. Let's see. Here is 5x all over 2 plus 3 greater than 18. So first I move 3 to the right hand side so that I have 5x all over 2 is greater than 18 minus 3, because it is plus by the left. Therefore, this is now going to be for me 5x all over 2 is greater than 18 minus 3 is 15. So we do cross multiplication. So 5x is greater than 2 times 18 is 36. So that means that the value of x, I hope that is right, 2 times 18 is 36. Yes, that is. No. This is 15 here because I did 18 minus 3, isn't it? So this is 15. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 15 will give me exactly 30. Beautiful. Therefore, the value of x now will be greater than 30 divided by 5, making x greater than 6. You are correct. So the marks allocated to that is 3 marks. Look at it here, according to the paper. Beautiful. We go to question number 26B, and it says we should factorize. What answer did you get to the factorization?
I got brackets x plus 1 brackets, then under bracket, then x plus 9.
X plus
9.
9. Okay, let's see. We are given x raised to power 2 plus 10x plus 9. So to factorize it, we look for 2 numbers we will multiply and get plus 9. And when we add it, it will give us plus 10. So the 10 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So we use 9 and the 1. That is it. 9, 1. Both of them will be positive. So that is it. Are you getting me? 9 and 1 will do the work. So what it means is that 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So I now have x squared plus 9x plus x plus 9. So we put this into the bracket and this also into the bracket. Come on here is x. Then I got x plus 9. Then come on here is plus 1. Okay. Then I have also x plus 9. So it makes sense now. Therefore, x plus 1 into x plus 9 is the correct answer. So this is not correct. The correct factorization is x plus 1, x plus 9, not x minus 1, x plus 9.
Okay.
Do you understand? So the
Yeah.
factors is what controls the final answer. And that is it. Okay. So the next one, okay, that is the last question in this paper. So we have successfully completed this paper. All right. So
Yeah.
this last one is 2 marks. Take note of it. Therefore, your total score is going to be what?
13/15.
13 over 15. 13 all over 15. Okay, let me verify. Starting from, okay, this place you missed these two. Then you got 3 marks here. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Plus 2 again, that is 7. Plus 2 again, that is 9. Plus 2 again, that is 11. Plus 2 again here, that is 13. I think you are right. You started from number 23. So 13 is correct. So if you put that in percentage, that is 13 over 15. Okay, that is going to give us about 87%. That is 86.6. Okay, 86.6. So tonight on this part, completing this year, GCSE Foundation, GCSE Foundation Tier, okay, November 2022. Okay, completing it, this is going to give us 87, approximately 87%. All right. Okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful.